Ebusian for me ma munyina akwaba eba Ghana SMTVGH. Mesremo like, comment, subscribe, turn your notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded.
Well, full Lawrence Tetteh, what do we full minimum fiti Royal House Chapel some grantiankra. Minimum papa. Lawrence Tetteh azantana. Lawrence Tetteh is some grantiankra. Ane Mama Christie, ane ajinasarimu azanfo nkwa. Akromfo and then Lawrence Tetteh Mahama so on San Gabe no see. What do you have to say? What do you have to say, Lawrence Tetteh Jimmy Fway? Abuwa wate o chai ukromun kran sase na Mahama atonwa mendisifo oba yrodwa kwatena a land commission board so ene yetwa asase wo Isle Gondia Mountain no Lawrence Tetteh wo si won kasa the God and the Bible you hold will judge you. Lawrence Tetteh Bible na kuta wo no ebebu watan abuwa wate tese mofu mo pese na nadu nke sika na nadu be hwe ahiafo ma no na nadu be hwe ani biefo ma no ye tete ma mo na mo se mo nya sofofo na mo ho bidi no ye santete fanka mo ho na nadu anya santi no mo de na totankuruwam ama mo ho mo wi abasa begina be ka kire ye se ye mo ya sorofofo mo sa Rev Abraham Lante wo ye traitor wo ye traitor Abraham Lante Shasenia Sam Kranchiankra etete wo Royal House Chapel IBWC etete wo ye wo no wo fro be ka kire ye say Nyankopon afron to kote wa so de Rev Lante wo yenimu di dada wate yenimu di dada abuwa kwasia ejimi fom ponche akoromfo amode ayasense mukoma musimu ya sofofo wo shine Abraham Lante wonim ne begu wase wate wapo wonim magya wonsa tuntum kwasiafo akoromfo a musimu nyame Abraham Lante wa sole ma na wodi yomo wa sole ma e na ubom abujan oyire koka usuon kara nuntum na jama me no so yeden koka uso ba abere wa watena wa ba abere wa yeden koka kwasiafo echilifo mese musa asofofo nyina mo yasenya me betia mo ka you people mese mo apreku wuo ni kurampo eso bebe nunyam se mo apreku wuo no eso beba mfaso kura se mo emwa because enamusu ntinu ehiafo ma enamusu ntinu enkrofo mo hia privileges enamusu ntinu enkrofo no mo dai NPP ansa no mo didi enamusu ntinu enkrofo mo ni daso abom because of mafunti na mo de na mafu traitors like you emwa nyame betia mo nyina aka mo bewu me yesia mo se ma soro makora mo mayiye apreku wuo no eho na me yi di mamo me yi apreku wuo ni di mamo kwa siafo jimi
na de maba prophet rankasa
ya wa to bi jima juma na free minister
me wan po parents me so cross me so for kwade that's when
and na de obi ama ne so for sem mra na de NDC for ye ne de
o man ne babo say mo yo po de dadia
yes
o man ne say mo yo po me kasa e babo ana me squat me abo
yes exodus
na me the cocoa sector de ohun me the cocoa sector share Wednesday cocoa sector egu that is all I will say for now.
O de yonko o say Exodus 23:2 so obi o Bible no be kan amaya Exodus 23:2 the first part na mekan o say do not follow the crowd to do wrong or evil. Nipa bebre achi na wo so akoye bone nti sa nipa 6 points ay
6 million kwasi for 6 million
how far
na omonya 6 million ke omonya kwasi for 6 million
question be say ebuso omo say how far so now we teacher ni we nurse ni we parent oba ebe wie GHS wo se na ado aban ne nye wo se ba omia nye option and how to my NDC how far and no ma ben asesa and what has been happening na no na ma hu se NDC kuo no da bia sama meka no Omo ye bunch of thieves, omo ye mafia group, and oma tikuo no. Say, ye be hide behind political party. Send ye be ya ye be ye. Na yen die, ye be fast we win power ne say. Ye hu se Ghana for ni bebre no, sorry to say, omadwene no wo form kakra. Enti, ye be yusu tribe, ye be yusu atro, ye be gugu nsem mu. You be bribe influential people within the country. No more propagate your message in Amayen. E basa Ghana for beto abamayen. Ni ba yeti mewia. As simple as that. And untina ene ushe NDC every sector nyafu every sector. Every sector. Yes, every sector they are grabbing.
That is only mobi.
Yes, every sector almost grab it. Now, go and check the budget for Adiana almost draw interchange who kumasa no.
Any Ashanti first no see obedino.
Yes. Go and check the budget for it. Go and check the amount of money. Omu influential people. Generally say munko capture. Na munyane say adia wa ye ne bin see that. Use your radio stations, use your TV stations. Na mon capture drawings ne keke. Na mon kasa ade wa ye de bi see that MPP current me anya sa ade bi. Go and check the amount they are paying their so-called bloggers. Say, mon capture na mon propagate eno ano no. Nipa na dwen wo form. On be je di say, sa drawing na ya o dan ho no. E better than the interchange dan kasa esi ho no.
Oh yes.
Yes. That is the country we are living in now. Say, Mako draw Asante Hini picture. Mako draw John Mahama picture. Man kwana draw sa no mano. And no, you're far better than interchange. Now, you draw or hono. Coming from the NDC. Now, Omafane say, Ghana for that dream of former Mase. So we be sa now to me propagate ma influential people become once a man no be a jedi. Minister we die ye hu ni so bida wa pega santimayo de no de ya santimayo wa draw down ho
can come we do
Akado.
I say I be any problem.
Akado.
Me dia just a man be 20 minutes and some am work am mesra mo me fire minister na draw down
people for here any paint
wa draw down ho na e ho na ama akuya me pese me ne we yi kakra na e ho no ye fe ne say nyabotre Ashanti region there on the would show mom ko twitwa pictures no mo ko ye
video mo ye paint to Ashanti region
nyabotre Asante for na to aba
hospital
nyabotre Asante for na to aba me nya health insurance o Asante for na to aba me nya free SHS Asante for na to aba me nya ambulances hwa Asante for na ko jejira ho ye video no hwa mo ho na be be mo free ba Intermediate, I mean, person be generalizing. No, that they may person be catching Ghana for the NDC for say. Nanado Danko Akufo Addo, the best president ever. If you say Ghana buy, will be no China Nanado. So say Kwame Nkrumah started Ghana no credit per 5 million. Your money sika na kabiye ni Ghana. Your money sika close to 250 million pounds. Nanado Danko Akufo Addo buy a kada ho limited resources. But another say mama Ghana kwabia ku school free. Sa NDC for ye no mo bo mo samrane ne yakoya Ashanti first nkrana kodrodo ye hu bi dai. Omo ka che another say san kra no ja mo nko ton dog chains. Omo koton ice water. Omo tren koku ase ma ne nwo. Na free SHS ne de nya de pa. These people made adverts. And nante ka say free SHS ye 419. Ama for the your friend says student job boss esi omutri so nante ye free education 419 is not good for the country. John Dramani Muhammad in such in the say enisi ye to abamo obia or pese obeye sadie we say was the whimsical what promise
yes
right? Yes
from a desperate politician.
Yes
for a desperate politician. And the free SHS no so abanu no. And krana nanka omubetimi aka kokwa ase no omadane visual art students they are exhibiting their talents And Kwana nan kom kwakoton dog chain wo kwa ho obeswa ice water no. Wadane visual art student or exhibiting a talent you be a fair. Oko Kumasi High School, oko Opokuware, oko Adawomase, oko hwan. Any assembly omu nyina so omu me draw down ho. Ave NDC for say sa down ho na enkwa na be draw no sa picture no eye chain free SHS no na na do mo call ye no.
Yeah.
We to aba ma NDC ho and say usu o kete so. Yes. Sir, nana do ama nkra na nka fie na afedia wan kasa wo benya nkra no so emfa so no say dia wo abeye na wadro wa ma nkra na be draw down ho no eye far better. 2019 esi edu nketia ka say it is better to be an illiterate than to attend this free SHS. O say nya papa na ebe ye kura nka ma oba ni ntrafie na nko nsua de bia say nko obeko school.
General, the next president.
Internet can come do no money. Sa kwame janto anom ne ho anom e dey bio. E say obia influence mo magiska and ma tom conscience. One kasa wo tra wo dem ahu say sa de we e nothing. It's nothing to boast about. Because say nkra be draw down ho no. As compared so obia educate asantefo nkra close to 1 million. We say draw now, what draw down? Why are they chain? Obi are educating close to 1 million. It's only in NDC na sa normal we see. And MPP mu. And untina sa nipa 41 point something omoto abama about me. They are always proud. Yes, MPP did not win, but o trust na o share the cost so then and some say there be man Tommy Nyansa. Me Nyansa for because this is the way forward. Internet areas bay. Oh dear, for the next 8 months, and 1 year, next year the massive corruption that will be in the NDC government. Yes. Corruption. I feel the baby. Also, I feel the baby. Now, NDC need a minister or Rose, or your minister or Interior, or your minister or Education. When who send a Sami Jemfi ADD? When who send a this source, Ama Nipa Bebre, Juma, Umini Didi. Some George better now.
Some George. Oh, you know I started that.
The Jaffe some George better now. And as a sanitation.
I'm something also changing a try. Obey some registration.
Yes, and as a sanitation minister also better now. After one better than the ministry said there be any semi DB. And that is why when we enter the NDC ba power, omuntimi be bia boa ubia. Yes, ontimi nye be bia boa ubia mo bia nya so mfa so. Ebedane individuals they become extremely rich from the NDC, and that has been their trait. Sani NDC from Rollins time nipa bia no munni bi every time NDC real power na a dine sika o mukura ni nyesika but now o ma improvisation nipa no the same thing is happening now. So what is the sense of direction for the NDC now? We NDC near say what are you proud of now? O party no enfa no de Ghana efa. Na den afa de ema wani age party no. Omuni baby a gold board generate sika but you nim de sika na ye. Ya inflate contracts but because ya inflate sika no na yentimi nya competitive bidding ti. Ye di ma yankasa yankofo a ombenye sika times 3 times 4 enti yenye so sourcing something you vehemently talked against says adie we di oba okura wunye bida na rare situations we have John Dramani Mahamani videos or say rare situations Robema so sourcing for the first time in the history of Ghana ye timamba 107 contracts so sourced
Agoja.
After the companies Libya, yet TB and Ra, Ubisi Ukra employers 3, Ukra employers 4, was Munina Munina Mukudi. Into the ordinary person. NDC Nina or what Tamale, or what Winneba, or what Cape Coast. NDC Nina or what Tokbaleme, or Hoy, or what Sunday Mano. Dear no many free party. The second coming, where Mahama Sabano. Dear no many. Adena munyina moye quiet say. Adena monkasa. Now we have individuals for contribution bia mra or minor, but they are enriching themselves. Until I am there so bo sa your friend say video ni audio no appear stadium and maybe bloggers be ni asesa o madi akire na obeba okuresi katam onye adwuma bia. But we say nanado ni ambulance no cheche no enye NDC ni we say drip machine na nanado toy say obi anfa nwi ni kwan so no enye we say nipa 3.5 million na nanado educate wo mo no enye
could be obi and drop nobody drop.
You went nobody no mose enye na momo no de ye ne say NDC mra no machiches kama individuals. Just areas bay into one kasa wote wa we NDC near. Say how are you benefiting from this party? Ain't pa na wona ma eche say I had the afide me na me nya party we so mfaso. Now one thing is by the time NDC be free power no, that is where you see the rot. And that is how they are.
No, you see, Karen, I weep for Dr. Baumia. Because Yamia Fefia, Wababa NDC and one city. And now there's some mama so I win am like a dumpe, and not the Jana Nado. Nana is Baumia, the one not dumpempo.
Yes.
Don't pen one no. Or red.
To the process. Now, me the Yana say, there be a mekasa say, Mama to Abama NDC in Crony be brave here for. Oh, so over Chrome Crown Power, baby, and this in your voice, more cra, Nima, Shaman. Go and check. Poverty levels, I was a cronim. Say, and this is about power. But Bibian can say, okay, how would I help these Nima boys? What are the policies? Yes, what are the policies? I mean, for who train, I mean, for more Shaman for
Choco.
Oh. They are making you know, they say, Nipa ne di nipa dudu echi akoye bone, send your Bible de kan na one customer who say you did not do the right thing. Say one to about my NPP. Say Iran US war no exonerated another say send another ba mu no wanya de bone bia. Says our war way from next week aircraft fuel because says the new pricing window April fuel be cover 17 to 18 cities. Yes, these are facts. Yeah, ebeba na inflation be cost ro afi obi antimi control just external factors impact the economy na. Afi how do you blame Nanado ne Baumia? Say nipa Sabrenumpo in the midst of all these difficulties, say there be your sales to go down more mine. Nipa didn't have difficulty be where the calculate on go do now. Sakra the difficulty ba party where party. Yeah.
Wife left me that say. Mesaba. Why?
Me that say.
Me say wife left Karen. Sorry.
Before then, Moamunim say me just be betu money about your studio. Person your movie free. We me single room muna meet you. A single room. The mpano ani and I made a corner with me every year we juma Akufo nenam. And sometimes also Akufo omo around almost over MPP ni. And it's not really too good. Can say my landlord say to me sorry na or catch me say or NDC ni renting not me too much anyhow. Because me MPP in India. Na media hands here ejuma in India. Enti na yesi. And Akufo bi so am person be joining kana sem no. Na yem boa MPP. Right? But yeah, omut me ba me dem de bia sa. Right? One is a mini privacy bia.